I don't think people like Dwight Eisenhower or people like that necessarily changed leadership. I think it was more of the psychologists and the sociologists. When America wasn't having the success that they did in the 50s and 60s, and then the culture kind of changed a little bit with the rebellion, psychologists and psychiatrists and sociologists and other behavioral scientists said, what the heck's going on? What is going on anthropologically? Why are people wanting something different? And I think they examined the fact that people needed a little bit more independence and freedom than they were given by the generals who were just giving orders in the change of command. And they kind of enabled people and gave people permission to question things. And I think leaders recognized the fact that people were changing, and we need to change with them if we're going to lead them. Because by maintaining those old chain of command, general type forces, people were rejecting that. They were dropping out of society. They went to Canada if they didn't believe in the World War II, of the Vietnam War. And so basically that rebellion made people realize that, we've got to do something in leadership if we want the current generation to follow our direction. Well, thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you heard, please give us a like. If you'd like to see more of these sessions, please subscribe. And if you would like to see the full video, just click on this link right here.